Hello! I'm Sarah and welcome back to our channel where we explore the world and bring you the most interesting facts. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at Spain and uncovering some facts that you may not know about this fascinating country. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn something new. Fact number 1. Size. Spain is the second largest country in Europe, after France. Fact number 2. Bullfighting culture. Spain is known for its bullfighting culture, which dates back to the 7th century. Fact number 3. Architect. The world-renowned architect Antoni Gaudí was Spanish and is most famous for designing the Park Güell in Barcelona. Fact number 4. Painters. Spain is the birthplace of famous painters Pablo Picasso and Salvador Dalí. Fact number 5. The Spanish language. The Spanish language is the third most spoken language in the world, after English and Chinese. Fact number 6. Oldest restaurant. Spain is home to the oldest restaurant in the world, Botan, which has been serving customers since 1725. Fact number 7. Pamplona. The famous running of the bulls, or La Fiesta de San Fermín, takes place annually in Pamplona, Spain. Fact number 8. UNESCO. Spain has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other country, with a total of 44. Fact number 9. Music. Spain has a rich musical heritage, with flamenco being one of the country's most famous musical genres. Fact number 10. La Liga. The Spanish football league, La Liga, is one of the most successful and watched football leagues in the world. So there you have it, 10 fascinating facts about Spain that you may not have known before. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.